8 o'clock sharp. Alright, we're coming up to Chesil Beach now. The start, which is at the Portland end. And I've bought some boots, running boots, as you can see. As recommended by Tom Lewis. It's pretty empty at the moment. The pebbles get gradually smaller and smaller until they just reach sand at West Bay. Yeah, so I decided to bring the Flux HD camcorder because it's lightweight and fits in your pocket easily. There's the skate park right there. I brought 12 of these gels, isotonic energy gels, and I'll sip them 2 or 3 times every hour for each one. And I'll do that on top of food. Over there, that's the end of Portland Beach Road, and that's the fleet. I've just come from there to here, the end of Portland Beach Road. And that's 2 miles approximately. If I'm set on schedule, that should take around 40 minutes. It's around 8:40 now. I started at 8 o'clock. If I continue at this walking pace, I should make it dead on schedule. When you continue in your goals in life, guys, you can achieve anything. Now, I'm not doing this for me. I'm doing this for the people that need it most. I'd like to give a great contribution to everybody, to as many people as I can. As you can see, guys, the pebbles are already getting a lot more tinier than they were all the way back there at the Fleet, the Fleet Lodge, or whatever you want to call it, back there. That's where the mainland separates from the Chesil Beach, and that goes for about half the way of the distance to West Bay. So it joins up to the mainland, and like halfway in the distance, about 9 miles. 2 miles in 40 minutes, averaging. I should reach West Bay 6 hours from the start. Hi guys, I'm at East Fleet. I'm not quite at where Chesil Beach joins the mainland yet, but if I keep walking, I'll soon be there. The more miles I do now, the less thing I'll do later. Alright, so I found a rubber ball on the way. Alright guys, it's 9:45 now, and we're over there where you can see a bit of the sunshine facing down on the pebbles. That's, I think, West Fleet. So we're exiting East Fleet now, and I'm on schedule. Alright, we're approaching West Fleet now. I knew it would be sunny today. It said over there, said no access, but I think it's referring to down there, guys, where I think it's the breeding ground for birds. I should be fine if I keep on this path. I'm not doing any harm done. I've reached the end of West Fleet, part of Chesil Beach. Over there, you can see, I think, Abbotsbury Castle. Here is where Chesil Beach joins up to the mainland. Miles back there. There was a vehicle that came over here, so you must be allowed over there. Beach pebbles, they're getting a lot smaller now, and there's also some shells along the way too. Alright, hi guys. I'm still on schedule, so, and it's I've been walking for the past 4 hours non-stop, only taking a break to drink water, and I decide every 4 hours I pack myself at the start with some brown rice and some tuna for the way, and that's I'm going to be eating brown rice and a tin of tuna every 4 hours of the walk. That's on top of the gel. Stones are getting finer. Another thing I haven't mentioned yet is for jogging or running, whatever, on this Pebble Beach is great because it's a lot better than doing the same thing on concrete. So if you're going to do a run or a jog, it's really great to do it on the beach. Now I'm walking on sand, and the Bridport golf club is apparently on top of that hill. It feels so nice to be on sand. Alright, this is Bristol, like, what is it, Caravan Lodge, and the next hill, that's the Bristol Golf Club. And flying, it's pretty cool. Back there, that was Burton Bradstock. This is West Bay. West Bay. Alright, I finally reached West Bay, and I thought I'd just give you a brief tour. I'm at the harbor now. Now, the reason that I did this, guys, is that when you do something like this, well, I didn't plan the tides or anything, and yet you just gotta go for it, you know? Because if you can do something like this, then everything else in your life is easy. That's 2:20 in the afternoon, and as soon as I eat and bring my dad up, I'll be heading back home. Alright guys, I bought myself a large fish and chips. As soon as I finish this, I'll be heading back home. Please do not feed the seagulls. Hello. Hello, little birdie. Oh, look at that. Come on, go get it. Go get it.